What's your goal? Do you have a goal? When was the last time you looked at your goal? What are you doing in life? Are you just going day in and day out? Day in and day out. What do you want to do with yourself? You are worth the time. Sit down and think about what it is that you want to do in life. What is your goal? Stay motivated. Click the link in my bio or go to cvventertainment.com and click on webinars. For a limited time, I am giving you free webinars. There's no gimmick. There's no money needed. All you need to do is hit play, sit back, and enjoy. I'll see you there.